Yeah, there she goes again. She's doing another haul. Sephora haul this time. Oh, I'm shocked it's not a Dollar Tree haul. Dollar Tree haul, Dollar Tree haul. It's Sephora. Ooh, I like Sephora. Don't you like Sephora? I know I do. I wonder what she got. Maybe she can give me some stuff for a change, you know? But anyways, yeah. Let's see what she got this time. Rosa, what'd you get this time, girl? I'm ready to watch this. Are you? Just stay tuned. Okay, bye. There she goes. There's my twin again. She always got to get her words in, you know, her 2 cents, right? But anyways, yes, it is a Sephora haul. And this is like two orders. Okay, now there's some stuff that I've had, and there's some things you've probably seen in a video, but not everybody has seen it, so I'm going to go through some of it. But before I do anything, this is late, but I've been wanting to do this, and I feel bad because it's kind of late, but Miss Cotton Candy sent me a Valentine's card. I know a lot of you know her, but you know, a lot of you might not know her, so I will insert a picture of her right there. Okay, yeah, and I will put her YouTube channel down below, okay? But she is such a dear YouTuber, such a sweet person. It says, "Hey, sweets." That is so cute. Look at the card. That is so cute. What the heck dropped out of there? Oh, well, it says, "Hey, sweets," and it says, "Dear Rosa, happy Valentine's Day. Hope you are doing well. Thank you for your friendship and support of my channel. Big hugs, Miss Cotton Candy." Okay, and then this was, this is so cute, the little Valentine card. Look, this is what was in it. Isn't she a doll? Thank you, Miss Cotton Candy. Love you, baby. You're such a doll, baby. Okay, all right, so I got to get this haul moving on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the things that I got from before, okay, and then I'll show you what I got recently. Okay, so now I'm really bad at pronouncing words sometimes, so you know, sometimes I'll put stuff down here and then just put the prices and stuff, because plus it takes a lot of time, you know, it's easier when I edit. Okay, so this right here, these 2 things, or whatever, oh Lord have mercy, here I go. Okay, here I go right here. I had got this now with my other order. It is, I could read it if this is Sephora cleansing cream, okay? That was a free sample, okay? And this is was also a free sample. It's a Tarte Tight and Brightening Mask. Okay, that was when I ordered my first order a while back, okay? Hey, and I want to say, I cut my hair, y'all. I cut it like 3 inches, no lie. But you know what? I'd rather have my hair short and beautiful than long and, you know, looking, you know, just stringy and just really bad. So I'm so happy. Yeah, I cut it 3 inches. I had to say that real quick. All right. Okay, so now we're going to get to this haul. Okay, now the first one I know you guys seen this before because I did do it in the summertime. I actually, I know I showed this, and I actually did a makeup look with it, a neon, you know, because I had loved the neons. I can't get it open. Oh my goodness. Wow, that packaging. Okay, so I had ordered this a while back. It was a neon. Sorry for the glare, but it's a beautiful, it's by Huda Beauty. Absolutely love Huda Beauty. And my friend Yasmin got me hooked on Huda Beauty. And yeah, it has a mirror, but I'll cover it up. Those are the colors right there. Absolutely gorgeous. I used it in the summertime for a look that I did, and I know that you've seen it, but I have new subscribers, so I thought, you know, let me put this in the haul, you know. So, okay, so I got that. Okay, and then, okay, so I absolutely love Fenty Beauty, okay. So I had got, actually I got a lippy to go with that palette because I had did a neon pink look, and I will, this is so beautiful. This, look at the packaging, the pink, yeah, and this is the, oh my goodness, it's Fenty Beauty, and I will put the name right here, like right here, and how much it costs. I did get it on sale. These were on sale. I don't know if they still are, but yeah, so, but this is the packaging. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful color. Absolutely beautiful. I will put a swatch on the side like I normally do. But this is it right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, I should have worn, no, it's not. So I should have worn it today, but no. Yeah, so that's one that I got, okay. And then, like I said, some of you's probably already seen that, but I did purchase another one, okay. And this is the other one. It's a red. You know I love red, okay. So I did purchase another one. Yeah. Like I said, I'm not going to read the names. I'm going to put all the names and the prices down here. Yeah, Fenty Beauty, okay? And then this is the packaging again. It says Fenty Beauty on it. And it's a red. gorgeous. I just love reds. I buy reds all the time. I just can't stay away from red. Okay, so yeah, so there's the red. Beautiful. Of course, I wore it already. And these do transfer a little bit. They're not, I mean, super bad, but they do, you know what I mean? So, yeah, so that's that. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to stick with Fenty Beauty. Okay, so I had got this. It's called Gloss Bomb. I just did it, showed it in my other video. Here's the packaging. Yeah. Gloss Bomb. Absolutely love these. This is Diamond Milk. I know it by heart because I love it so much. I've been using it. I just love this. Love, love, love. I know the light is on it, so I don't know if you can see that. Kind of, yeah. But anyways, I'll put a, like I said, swatch on the side. Excuse me. Okay, and this is the applicator. I love the applicator because it's nice and big. Doe foot applicator. Yeah, I love that. But this is so, it's like a shimmery, you know, almost like a iridescent. It's like really beautiful, 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 beautiful. But I'll put, like I said, everything down. Okay, sorry. Oh, my phone shut off on me. I don't have no space on my phone for real. I don't have no storage. But anyways, let's move on because it'll probably shut off again. Who knows? Okay, this is another Fenty Beauty product that I bought, and I actually got my daughter one too. And it is for your eyebrows. You've got to do our eyebrows, ladies, right? And this is in black, okay, deep black. Okay, and this is wonderful, absolutely wonderful. It is a ultra fine tip for hair like precision, okay? And it styles the styling brush for effortless blending, okay? Effortless blending, you know what that means, right? Effortless blending. Okay, and here's the packaging right here. Okay? I absolutely love this. Love, 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 okay? Here it is, right here. You just, you know, right there, it's black. Probably can't see it. I know I might be trying to rush a little bit because this phone, I don't want it to die on me. I love this part, this end, this end of it. It's on the other end. Look at the little, I know it's easier to see like this. Yeah. Yeah, do those eyebrows, ladies. Yeah, I do. I don't get my eyebrow, I don't pluck them or anything, but I do fill them in, you know, because, hey, that's part of your makeup, you know. Hey, fill in your eyebrows. Okay, so, now, okay, this is still the other order, okay? Okay, now, I got this Sinner, Kat Von D. You know I love Kat Von D, but she just actually sold all her makeup line, so I got this when she still had it, though. It's Sinner, and it is a liquid lipstick, one of her liquid lipsticks. So this is, it was a new shade in here, so, but I'll show you. That's the box it came in. I know I'm rushing, I feel so bad. This is it right here. It's not a roller ball, though. It's a spray. And I hate that they came out with the sprays, to be honest, because they go fast. They go fast. They really do. But that's the packaging for that. It's absolutely lovely. I love Sinner, okay? She has Saint and Sinner. I love Sinner. Smells so good, ladies. If you have not smelled Sinner, yeah, that's my favorite. And then this also came in it, this little lippy. And I will put a swatch on the side of that, okay? All right, so that's that, okay? And I got two more things. Okay, then I got a little baby one. A little baby one. But I got this for free. So they just, I don't know. When I was in the store, and she just gave it to me because they ran out of the free gifts. So she just gave me a little baby one, which I absolutely love because I carry it in my purse. So that's Sinner fragrance, okay? Now, you ready for this one? This is the last one, and then it's my new order. I got actually my daughter bought this for me for my birthday. The Kat Von D Sinner, the big bottle of perfume, the fragrance. Yeah, absolutely love. You don't know how much I love this. This smells so good, and the packaging is beautiful. I know a lot of you probably already seen it, you know, but if you're makeup gurus, you know, like we are, so here's the bottle right here. Absolutely gorgeous, right? You know, I love black, so. And the other one is Saint. She has another scent. It's Saint, and it's white. But I'm glad I like the Sinner black because that one's black. Okay, so that was one order, okay? So this is another order I just ordered, okay? And the reason why I ordered it, okay, I'm going to tell you a little story real quick. A good friend of mine, Stacy, okay, a long time ago she told me about these masks, okay? And I absolutely love them. They're Sephora masks. And I will put a picture of her right there. Yeah, she's cute. Huh? But anyways, yeah, so long time ago, like I said, she told me about these Sephora masks, and I absolutely love them because you leave them on your face. You know, when you put them on, you can leave them on, sleep with them. They used to have all kinds. Well, they did away with them, except for they only have one kind left that I'm going to show, okay? And they were on sale for $2. So she told me about them right away, and as soon as she told me, I had to order some. I actually ordered, I think 12. I gave some for my daughter already for her birthday, so I have, I think, like 10 here or something. Yeah, so, or 10 or 8. Yeah, I have 8 or whatever. But anyways, yeah. So I wanted to tell you that story real quick. Thank you. Thank you, Stacy, so much for telling me. Let me know. We are makeup gurus, so we're always telling each other about sales and stuff like that because we're crazy about our makeup. But okay, so I want to show you what I got for free first. This I got this for my 100 points, my 100 perk points. It's dry shampoo. I'm sorry for the glare. It's like really bright in here. Yeah, this is dry shampoo, and like I said, I'll write it down here, okay? I love the dry shampoo. And then I got this. This is a, oh my gosh, my glasses. Glasses on, glasses off. Glasses on, glasses off. Oh my gosh. This is a eye cream treatment, okay? With avocado in it, which I love avocado. You can't really see it, can you? Yeah, it's right a little bit right there, okay? And then I got this. I can't pronounce this name for the life of me, so I'm definitely putting it down here. It's shampoo and conditioner. I actually got it for my daughter. And yeah, it's a shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, right here. Yeah, so that's that. And the two last things I got for free samples. You always get 2 free samples. They used to give you 3 free samples. Now they give you 2. I'm trying to hurry. I'm sorry, I'm fumbling on my words, but my phone is my storage is terrible. So okay, so these are the masks that I was telling you about that Stacy told me about. These right here, okay? Check them out. They're in a little box, and I can use this 3 times, okay? And you put it on, face, of course, when your face is clean, you put it all over your face, and you sleep with it. You don't have to wash it off or anything. That's what I like about it. You just have to make sure you cover them good with tape so, you know, what's left in here does not dry out, you know? So, yeah, so I got, like I said, I got like 12 of them. But I gave some to my daughter. So these are excellent masks. So if they still have them on the site for $2, ladies, go and get them. I mean, these are, they have, they're coconut water sleeping masks. Coconut, yeah. So they're absolutely beautiful. I had to show it one more time. Okay, I only got 2 more things from this order. And I feel so bad because I'm rushing, but it's another Sephora mask, and it's called Watermelon. I love Watermelon After Sun Mask. And I thought, when I seen this was on sale too, okay? And I thought, you know what? I have to get this because when I'm in the sun, I take care of my skin a lot. I mean, you know, like when I go like this, of course, everybody has little bit of wrinkles right here, you know. I mean, I really have pretty good skin, you know. But anyways, this is the mask right here, okay? And I did get 2 of them, and they were on sale for $3. But I think I might go get some more because they're for your skin, like after the sun, which is great. I mean, you know, I don't care how healthy you eat or whatever. It's very important to take care of your skin. I mean, you know, like I said, me and Stacy are big on that. Me and Yasmin, all my friends, we're, you know, Jackie, all my but we just all take care of our skin, you know. It's just the most important thing, you know. And my daughters, I got my daughters doing it too. So, all right, I'm gonna cut this short because my phone, like I said, has hardly any storage. All right, so I love you guys so much, but like I always say, God loves you more, and with everything going on, just keep your faith, believe me, keep your faith, and God will handle it. He'll take care of us. He has his angels around us, you know. So, all right, and God knows our hearts, you know. You know, I don't want to talk too long about it, but I love God so much, you know. And I have something else to share with you guys in another video, but all right, so I will see you all in my next video. All right, I love you guys so much, and remember that, stay happy, healthy, positive, keep your faith, always keep your faith, and all right, okay, bye. Almost forgot the kisses. Bye.